How to wear Sidha Pallu style sari. Start draping edge of the sari from right side. Now take the sari from starting edge. Hold the border and take a small pleats. Wrap them from back to the right shoulder. Adjust the length of the pallo till the waist and secure it with a pin. Start pleating from right to left. Pin it neatly before tucking in. Hold the inside of the pallo corner and fix it with a pin from left side to the back.